To access the tools and case studies, the user must register. They do this by completing the online registration form. Once the new user has submitted their details, an automated email is sent to the Toolbox administrators to notify them of the new registrant. They can then approve or reject the registrant. This demonstration shows the registrant being approved. Once a registration has been approved, the user receives an automated email with their login details. When they log into the site, they now have access to download any of the tools and case studies.